Libra, hey, how are you doing? I hope you guys all had a really good day. I want to thank you guys for tuning into Only the Realist. If any of you guys were wondering, the full moon is on the 28th. For those of you who have been preparing for things and wondering if they were going to come alive. Anyways, I'll be doing, for you guys, a 10 card pick, one overall energy, and one gift for the Empress. We have safe home. Some of you may be feeling like your environment or your home is not safe. Just know that it is protected and is safe. And for those of you who are doing work on your internal self, just know that things will come out positively, okay? Best possible decision. So, Libra, looks like you are at a crossroads. You're trying to make the best possible decision in your situation. Whatever situation that is, that may be a home situation for some of you. Could be a job situation. Could be a life situation, you know. Maybe switching homes, switching jobs, going to a new state, different country. Pieces at the bottom of the deck. So whatever decision you make, it's all from the balance and peace from you, your heart, you know, yourself. This reading may or may not resonate with all of you, Libra. There are millions and billions of Libras on planet Earth, so be mindful, okay? Beauty. Yeah, know that you're beautiful, Libra. You know, you have that, you know. And for any of you guys that were wondering, this is not for like it's not gender specific. It's for guys and girls, you know, men and women. You're beautiful, you know what I mean? Handsome, whatever. Just know your self-worth, you know what I mean? Don't be so closed in about decisions you're gonna make. Be confident and be decisive, you know? Be strong about your decision. I know a lot of Libras can be indecisive sometimes. They're unsure of the outcome. Which is why they're Justice in the Zodiac. Romance. Some of you have a love. Maybe you're making a decision between maybe this is just like a right or wrong decision. Like, is it right for me to move forward with maybe a person, or should I just stay where I am, you know, in my safe environment, in my safe home, kind of. Good cheer fell out of the deck. This is a time for you guys to enjoy yourselves. Yeah, true love come to me. Maybe you guys are thinking deeply about a lover, and maybe it's best if you enjoy yourself first and then make your decision. Okay? Have a couple of friends around you, you know? And then, you know, you'll find your decision during that time that you're enjoying yourself. You know, you'll find that answer towards the decision that you're gonna make. Trust, yeah. Trusting your situation, know that you're being guided to where you're going right now, Libra. Letting go, 6. My number of transformation. Okay? Some of you are transforming and you will make a strong decision. And you will be letting go of something or someone. Okay? It's okay though. Letting go presents itself as beautiful things afterward, you know? Coming after. Passion. Maybe this person makes you feel passionate. Or maybe you're letting go of someone that you only feel passionate about. Like, you know, there's a difference between love and passion. You know, you can be passionate about someone and only, like, you're only loving them when they, like, either give you something or they do something that you like around them or something like that. But the person that loves you is like, they're gonna dedicate themselves to you. They're gonna put their effort into, like, knowing that you're okay, knowing that you're healthy, you know? So that's the difference. Success. Yeah, just know that you're being guided directly where you're supposed to be, Libra, you know? You probably know that this passionate person is not good for you, you know? Go with the flow. You need a person that loves you, okay? Success. You will get what you know, what you need, you know? Our wants could be passion, but, you know, those needs should come first. And here you are standing tall. Some of you Libras may also be dealing with another Libra, but you don't have to be. That's just the energy that resonates with the reading. But you will be getting justice in your situation. Things will be balanced out. Harmony will be at play. Abundance as well. Let's get you guys a miracle card. Yeah, you guys have a lot of good things coming to you. Sorry, advertisements. Oh, if you guys were wondering what kind of music I'm playing, it's Turkish music. Okay. We have another transformation. We have 6 of Hearts. Go to Google, type in spiritual meaning of 6 of Hearts, and you will find a message there for you, Libra. Wow, you come up strong here, Libra. You're balancing out the situation in your way this time, you know what I mean? Because usually Libras let it work out how the universe lets it work out, which is why I respect Libras so much. But this time, you're gonna do it yourself, you know? Because you know the outcome of doing it yourself versus hoping or wishing or being indecisive about something that you know could be, you know, stamped on point. So you're standing very strong here, which is beautiful. Go to Google, type in Right Life Path number 6, and you will also find a message there for you, Libra, okay? Some good energy coming from this. You're gonna make a really cool decision, Libra. Joy. Yeah, you're gonna be super happy. Because you have trust, okay? And your gift from the universe. Organization. Whatever you need to do, Libra, organize it, you know, organize it, whether that's a business, whether that's coming together with a group of friends to create something, just get out there and organize it, you know. Some of you may be business owners that are organizing your spaces or your notebooks or things like that, you know. Yeah, you got a lot of sixes here. Wonderful transformation during this this full moon. Was that Virgo and Capricorn also had a transformation, which is super cool. Anyways, I want to thank you guys all for tuning in to Only the Realist, and I will see you next time.